methods are other method. In other method, you can say this diethyl ether is obtained by dehydration of ethanol by dehydration of ethanol. In this method, ethanol is heated with alumina at, you can say, approx 300 degrees centigrade. When ethanol is heated with alumina at 300 degrees centigrade temperature, water is liberated, and with the liberation of water, you can say you will obtain diethyl ether with the liberation of water. The second method that is included in this other method, that is by reaction of alkyl halide with dry Ag2. अगर एल्काइल हैलाइड को ड्राई Ag2 से रिएक्ट करा दें तो भी हमें ईथर मिल जाता है. वन थिंग इन कीप माइंड, अगर यहाँ पर नमी युक्त सिल्वर ऑक्साइड काम में लोगे तो ऐसी स्थिति में एल्काइल हैलाइड उस नमी युक्त Ag2O से रिएक्ट करके एल्कोहल बना देगा. सो लाइक सपोज यू हैव दिस halide, it react with Ag2O, 2 molecule of this halide will be used. There is liberation of twice of AgX and CS3CH2O CH2CS3, and you will get diethyl CH3 CH2 O CH2 CH3 plus twice of AgX, means you will get diethyl. The third one is, that is also considered in this method, in the other method, that is very important, that is by Williamson synthesis. By Williamson's synthesis. In Williamson synthesis, we will use alkyl halide and sodium alkoxide. Means the reactant used in Williamson synthesis are alkyl halide and sodium alkoxide. R O, suppose this is R dash plus NaX, ether you will get. In case of Williamson synthesis, one thing keep in mind, suppose we would like to prepare a unsymmetrical ether. To obtain unsymmetrical ether, halide should be 1 degree. Halide should be 1 degree. What happen if halide is taken that is 3 degree? On taking 3 degree halide, elimination reaction occur. Elimination reaction occur and alkene will be obtained.